Hey girly pops, hello, welcome back to my channel. I am Haley Pham. Hot girl fall routine. How do I explain this to you? I want to do nice fun fall things because I just realized it's fall, but I was confused because it's still like 100 degrees in Texas, so it just doesn't feel like it to me. So I want to make it feel like it. So I want to do all the stuff that a hot girl fall girl would do, like buy candles, read a book, drink some pumpkin spice lattes. I don't know. Okay, we're just gonna have a fun day. Oh, thank you to Kara for sponsoring this video. More on them later. Also, I'm getting my nails done today, which you're probably like, big whoop, you literally do that in every video. But this one is gonna be actually more fun because I'm going to a girl's house who just specializes in doing nail art, and she's gonna surprise me with some like super long acrylic nails. So I'm super excited for that. That should be very entertaining and very fun. And if you're wondering where I'm driving right now, take a big old guess, buddy. Yeah, I broke my Starbucks ban on my vlog channel. Yeah, and it's actually interesting because I don't even really like it that much anymore. But for this video, I'm going to get a pumpkin spice latte and a pumpkin bread just to really be in the spirit for fall. And yeah, that's what we're doing. Is it dark? Or is it my sunglasses? Also, I look like Lord Farquaad right now. I can't believe I used to put myself through this traffic every single morning voluntarily just to get Starbucks, and I thought it was fun. Like, now I'm doing it and I'm just like, why did I ever do this to myself? This is not fun at all. I like to stay home now. Oh wow, that sounded like I'm trying to be so relatable and quirky. That's just... What the frick was that noise? Okay, I also can't believe I used to vlog here because I feel like it's actually so obvious, and now I like forgot how to do this. This feels so weird. I've not been to this Starbucks in 4 months, and this is the one that I always went to. Also, I cannot, is it actually dark or was that my sunglasses? I think it's just actually dark in the camera. I got this yesterday, so we're gonna use this for pumpkin spice latte, and I still want the whipped cream in it. I'm only getting a tall though, because I got a grande the last time and it was sickening. Like, I felt so gross after that. Hello, hello. Yeah. I feel like I don't know how to be human yet because it's only like 11 a.m. and I feel like I'm not jumping in the mode yet, you know? Gotta wake up. I'm just not me before my coffee, you know what I mean? Like, don't even talk to me before I drink my coffee. I'm actually dying in this sweater. How hot is it? Let's see. What? It's only 84 degrees? It's gonna be 95 degrees though. There's no way it's, oh shoot, it's my turn.
Hi, thank you for choosing Starbucks. This is Brittany. How can I help you?
Hi, can I get a tall pumpkin spice latte iced?
A tall pumpkin spice latte iced. Did you need the whipped cream with that?
Yes, please. And I have a cup to put that in.
Sure.
And then can I also get a slice of pumpkin bread heated up?
Yes, and you said warmed up, right?
Yes.
Anything else?
That'll be all.
812 at the window.
Thank you. Okay, while we're waiting to pay, I just wanted to let you guys know that I am going to basically quit this channel and become a booktuber. Now, if you don't know what that means, if you're not part of the booktube community, they basically just make videos about books, and I've been obsessed with books, so I think that's my new career path. So this is actually the very last video you ever see from me before I become a booktuber. Obviously, I'm kidding, but I'm actually like obsessed with #1 reading and booktubers, and these booktubers will literally read like 15 books in 1 month. Like, it's just nothing to them. It's insane. So today I'm probably just gonna do a lot of reading because I just like to do that now. I'm scared they're gonna look at my camera and be like, oh, what are you doing? Taking pictures of yourself? And I'm gonna be like, yeah, it's for a project. Filming my video at Starbucks. Oh shoot, oh my gosh. Hi. Thank you. Here's that cup.
I'll be right back with that drink, okay?
Thank you. Why is my heart racing? The smallest social interaction gets my heart racing. That's really cute. So quirky. Someone once told me that I fake having social anxiety to be relatable, and that's probably the most offensive thing I've heard to this day. Anyways, look how cute it is. Oh, you can't even see, but they put in the whipped cream and everything still. Aww. Okay, why does it actually feel like fall all of a sudden? I like this video. Oh my gosh, this one is so good. The other one I had for the first time for fall was just really strong, and I'm kind of a wuss when it comes to coffee. This one is so sweet and yummy. Okay, also, what are the odds of this? Okay, so I'm filming this on a Friday, so this video is going up on Monday, but my last video was a chocolate milk competition, and it's literally National Chocolate Milk Day, and it looks like I'm so smart and planned that out and like posted a video related to that, but I didn't. I had no idea. Someone just DM'd me and told me that. That's so cool. They're like, what are the odds of that? So crazy. So this is delicious. I actually do feel more energetic now. And the pumpkin bread, of course. Can't forget. Already feels like fall. Wow, what a good start to the video. Now I don't know what I'm gonna do next. Well, see you later. Okay, here is the setup. I am ready to just journal. This is planning. This is a devotional journal. This is my bullet journal. This is the book I'm reading currently. If you go to school and want to make friends, you should read it. If you go to work, you should read it. If you're a human being, you should read this book. I love it, and it's a very easy read, and I'm just like taking notes on it. I got my little pens here. Got my post-it notes, and of course, I got my kiafi. So I'm just gonna sit in my little bean bag and have a nice little fall time. Genuinely trying to get into this fall spirit, and it's so weird because I'm literally just wearing this sweater and it's so hot outside. It's very hard to get in the fall spirit. Mom, do you know what hot girl fall is?
No.
Do you know what hot girl summer is?
You wear a lot of bikinis and tank tops.
No, well, I guess so. So this rapper named Meg Thee Stallion, it was just in a song like Hot Girl Summer, and then everyone on Instagram and Twitter was like, oh, it's Hot Girl Summer. So now that it's fall time, it's Hot Girl Fall.
Oh, okay.
I honestly still don't understand it very much. So
I guess you wear makeup in the fall. You wear longer sleeves and I don't know.
Okay, so we're gonna do something very festive and go to Costco. Just kidding, I won't take you in Costco, but we are going to Bath & Body Works because that is the honestly best thing to put me in the fall spirit, is just to buy some fall candles, because you need to be tasting the pumpkin and smelling the pumpkin at the same time to really feel it. And then maybe I'll just like make it super cold in my apartment to trick myself into thinking it's fall, and then I can cozy up and read a book and fall asleep. Maybe we'll go to a bookstore. I don't know, I'm really trying to get in the fall spirit here. And then, oh yeah, I get to have my nails done in a few hours, and I'm so excited. Now it's really fall. Okay, 20% off discount code, which is very helpful because I didn't know how expensive these candles are. They really sell them. They really sell them good. Vanilla sage. This one smells like vanilla sage. Yeah, it's very light and vanilla-y and sagey, so yeah. And then I got this. Oh, this one was my mom's. She's obsessed with mahogany teak wood, and then they made a mahogany teak wood high intensity, so it's just that on steroids. Much stronger. Yes, yum yum. Marshmallow pumpkin latte. Don't you just love all the lighting changes as we drive? So fun. It's like a marshmallow smell, but very light. I love their marshmallow smells. Like Marshmallow Fireside is probably my all-time favorite candle from them. And lastly, Autumn Woods, which is a very cute package. And this one kind of smells like cologne, but sweet cologne. So yeah, that's my fall candle collection. Yeah, let's go light them up and then go get our nails done. Hot girl fall drink just spilled all over my apartment. Yay! But at least I got McDonald's. Ew, why is there hairs in there? Okay, I'm back in the car, about to go get my nails done, and they look so... I literally have like self-tanner under these nails. It's really nasty, so I'm going to try to film there and like maybe do like a cute little time lapse or something, and then I will show you what she does, and she's gonna sort of surprise me, so I'm really, really excited. And she said it might take 3 hours, so it's 3 o'clock now, and I don't know when I'll see you next. Okay, it's 2.5 hours later, and these are the cutest nails I've ever gotten. Okay, I say that every time, but really look at these. Okay, so they're like jelly on the tip, and then there's stars on this side, and then she also did clouds. Like, oh my gosh. Here, this is what they really look like, but they're so pretty in the sun. Oh my gosh, I love them so much. They're also like way longer than I usually get, so this will be really interesting for me. Wow. Okay. Hi, Sparky. It is time to wind down with like a nice little candle and just reading another book because I gotta read my books with my new nails. Oh my gosh, I love them. Look how cutie. And they're like jelly, so they're like, oh my gosh. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna light this candle. Autumn Woods. It's so satisfying to light candles. Let's do this. Let's do this. It's freaking cringy as frick. What? This one's pink. Ooh. Wow, that's actually like so fall-y. Just that smell. I actually really feel like I'm in the fall spirit now. And my nighttime routine, obviously after I like, you know, brush my teeth, wash my face, stuff like that, I always come over here, and this is where I keep my Cara vitamins because it's part of my nightly routine. So I'm gonna tell you a little bit more about them. Okay, so like Like I said earlier, thank you to Cara for sponsoring this video. I've been easing the transition from summer to fall, which is basically what this video is, and I've been trying to get back on that workout routine, wellness, health routine type thing, you know? There's a short 5-minute little quiz on their website, and Cara will recommend you the perfect vitamin and supplements that you need for your specific diet, lifestyle, and health needs. It's really nice that it just gets shipped to your house so that you don't have to go to the store and like pick out 10 different bottles of vitamins. Instead, it just comes like this, and then it's already personalized in its own little packages. So I just recently did a blood test and found out that I'm slightly anemic, so I'm supposed to take an iron supplement once a day. So I just told Cara of that, and an iron supplement now comes in one of my packs so that every night I never forget to take it. And I love that Cara cares about the quality and sustainability, so they have these new compostable packs, which you can find out the perfect ways to compost them more on their website, but I meant compost. I don't know why I was saying compost. Really glad that they did that. If you guys click the link in my description, you can take the little quiz, and Cara will recommend vitamins and supplements for you. And then if you want to get them, you can use my promo code for 25% off. It's just Haley Pham, and I highly recommend them. I definitely take them every night, and you know, I'm a kind of a weak person, you know, and I need help with my stress and just immunity, and taking these vitamins is really important for my routine. So if you'd like to incorporate it into your new fall routine, I highly recommend, and you can get 25% off. Okay, that is all for my fall day. I feel like we're not really into fall yet, but I really probably won't feel the fall spirit till like mid-November or like until Thanksgiving. So I'm really hoping it gets cold, because that's really what's gonna do it for me. So I did the best that I could. I don't know. Comment down below what you do to feel like you're in the fall spirit. It's probably much easier if you live somewhere where it actually gets cold. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to watch me some more, you can subscribe and join the family. Become a girly pop today and join the fam. I also have an Instagram and Twitter, and yeah. So yeah, love you, girly pops. God bless, girly pops. Goodbye.